Good morning, students. I hope that you are well at your home. Today, I will teach you four chapter of English, and the name of the chapter is a question of trust. This chapter is about a thief named Horace Denby who entered the house which is located at Shotover Grang, but there is another thief in the house who pretends to be the owner of the house, and she tries to compel him to open the safe. Horace Denby unfortunately opened the safe, and at last he got arrested by the police. So, without wasting time, let us discuss the chapter. It is said that it is said that you must set a thief to catch a thief. That It is said that you must set a thief to catch a thief. It means you have to just appoint a thief in order to arrest another thief. But it is also said that there is honor among thieves. Okay, but there is another saying that there must be trust among thieves. So honor means trust among thieves. Which saying does this story illustrate? So which saying means which proverb does this story explain or describe? Illustrate means describe. Next, everyone thought that Horace Denby was a good, honest citizen. Everybody was thinking that Horace Denby was a good and honest citizen. Citizen means person. He was an honest person. He was about 50 years old and unmarried and lived with a housekeeper. Housekeeper means maid, okay, servant, who worried over his health. So Horace Denby was 50 years old and he was unmarried bachelor, and he used to live with a servant who was much worried about his health. The servant was worried about the health of Horace Denby. In fact, he was usually very well and happy except for attacks of hay fever. Hay fever is a type of allergy. You can say hay fever is a type of allergy. So Horace Denby was well and good citizen. He was a honest person, but he was suffering from that allergy. Especially in summer. कभी कभी उसको इस एलर्जी का भी अटैक आता था, तो ही कीप्स ऑन स्नीजिंग. उसको काफ़ी छींक आती थी इस एलर्जी से. He made locks and was successful enough at his business to have two helpers. तो he used to make locks. Locks means false keys. आर्टिफिशियल की बनाया करता था ताकि वो इनका यूज़ करके किसी भी घर में चोरी कर सके. तो ही यूज़ टू मेक लॉक्स एंड सक्सेसफुल इनफ एट हिज बिजनेस टू हैव टू हेल्पर्स. हेल्पर्स मीन्स एम्प्लॉई. तो ही हैड टू एम्प्लॉयज़ who used to help him, ठीक है, in that business. Yes, Horace was a good and respectable but not completely honest. So Horace Denby was a good person. He was a respectable person. People used to respect him, but he was not completely honest. Honest means he was not sincere person. 15 years ago, now we will discuss about the life of Horace Denby. What happened 15 years ago? 15 years ago, Horace had served his first and only sentence in a prison library. Means, what happened कि 15 years ago, Horace was sent to jail. Okay, sentence means jail. As a punishment, he was sent to jail in prison library. Okay, so he had to spend time because he stole money. He loved rare and expensive books. So Horace loved rare means very strange, unique. Expensive means costly. He used to love rare, costly and strange books. So he robbed a safe every year. So that's why he stole सेफ मीन्स लॉकर एवरी ईयर, कि हर साल वो एक जो लॉकर था उसको उसको चोरी करता था. ही यूज टू स्टील द लॉकर. एवरी ईयर ही प्लान्ड केयरफुली जस्ट वट ही वुड डू, स्टॉल इनफ टू लास्ट फॉर 12 months. तो what did he used to do? He used to make a planning how to steal, and for once that could be for 12 months, कि एक ही बार में वो चोरी कर लेता था और वो जो पैसा था that could be used for 12 months, and secretly bought the books he loved through an agent, and he used to bring the books. ठीक है, तो what did he do with the money? He used to bring books. He used to buy books from the secret agent. ठीक है, first of all he used to steal the rob. ठीक है, he used to steal money, and that money was used in purchasing the books. Now walking in the bright July sunshine. One day he was walking in bright July. Bright means like in hot July. The weather of July and August, that is the hottest weather. ठीक है, so one day he was walking in the month of July, and he felt sure that this year's robbery, ठीक है, this year's stealing, it means this year's robbery was going to be as successful as all the others, means his robbery will be successful as all the others. It means यहाँ वो ये कह रहा है कि इस साल वो की जो चोरी, इस साल की जो चोरी है उसकी, दैट विल बी सक्सेसफुल, एंड इन दैट रॉबरी ही विल स्टील मच मनी सो दैट ही कुड बी he could not be dependent upon others. ठीक है, for 2 weeks, 2 सप्ताह तक he had been studying the house at Schutover-Grang. Schutover-Grang is a place, एक जगह का नाम है. This is the name of the place where his house was located. Looking at its rooms, electric wiring, its paths and garden. So for 2 weeks he studied the house. He also studied the electric wiring and paths and garden. It means he completed his study of the house, where the garden is located, where the paths are located, where electricity wiring is there. So he did his study complete. This afternoon, the 2 servants who remained in the Grang while the family was in London had gone to the movies. What happened this afternoon? The 2 servants who were in the house, and they had gone to see movies. ठीक है, the servants had gone to see the movie, and जो बाकी जो members थे family के, they were in London. Horace saw them and felt happy in spite of little tickle of hay fever in his nose. कि only he was suffering from a disease, from allergy, and apart from it everything was well and he was feeling happy. ठीक है, और उसने क्या देखा था? He saw only servants were living in the house, and the servants had already gone to see movie. He came out from behind the garden wall, and his tools carefully packed in a bag in his bag. So what happened? He came out from the garden wall, and his tool, it means his bag, was ready. His bag was containing some tools, some instruments which could help him in breaking the law. There were about 15,000 pounds worth of jewels in the Grang. अब जो Grang house था, in which he had to steal money, so the house contained 15,000 pounds jewelry. ठीक है, if he sold them one by one, he expected to get at least 5,000, enough to make him happy for another year. अब वो ये सोच रहा था कि if he sold all the jewelry, तो he will be able to earn more money. At least he will be able to earn 5,000 more money. ठीक है, and the money will be sufficient for another year. There were 3 interesting books coming up for sale in the autumn. So autumn is a season, ठीक है, like winter, rainy. So autumn is just like a season. So he was thinking कि अब next जो autumn season में है, 3 interesting books are coming to be sold in the market. So I will purchase those books. He was planning. Now he would get the money he wanted to buy them. So that's why he was thinking that I will get money by stealing and then I will purchase books. He had seen the housekeeper hang the key to the kitchen door on a hook. Hook means just like a type of nail, बोलते हैं ना कि एक हुक बोलते हैं घर में, एक जो लगाते हैं, वी जस्ट हैंग आवर क्लॉथ्स, ठीक है. तो हॉरेस डेनबी हैड सीन ए हाउसकीपर. हाउसकीपर मीन्स द सर्वेंट ऑफ द हाउस. उसने क्या किया, ही जस्ट कैप्ट द की टू द किचन डोर ऑन ए हुक. ही पुट ऑन ए पेयर ऑफ ग्लव्स and took the key and opened the door. Horace Denby just started wearing gloves and he took the key and he opened the door. ठीक है, it means Horace Denby entered the house. He was always careful not to leave any fingerprints. Fingerprints means like impression of the house. Hand impressions. ठीक है. अब वो इतना केयरफुल था कि चोरी के बाद में कभी भी अपने जो हैंड इम्प्रेशंस नहीं छोड़ता था. ही डिडंट लीव एनी हैंड इम्प्रेशन. अ स्मॉल डॉग वाज लाइंग इन द किचन. अब उसने हॉरेस ने क्या देखा, व्हाट डिड ही सी, ही सॉ अ स्मॉल डॉग वाज लाइंग इन द किचन. इट स्टर्ड. स्टर्ड मीन्स मूविंग, मेड ए नॉइज एंड मूव्ड इट्स टेल इन ए फ्रेंडली वे. सो व्हेन हॉरेस डेनबी एंटर्ड द हाउस, he found a dog was lying in the kitchen and the dog was moving. Stirring means moving its tail and he was making a noise, means the dog started barking. All right, Sherry, this is the name of the dog. Sherry is the name of the dog, Horace said as he passed. As he was passing, so as he was going to the main room, drawing room, you can say, for stealing money. So he found a dog was lying there and he pronounced the name of the dog with Sherry. All you had to do, keep dogs quiet, to call them by their right names and show them love. अब Horace knew very well that if we want to keep the dog quiet, quiet means silent, if we want to keep the dogs quiet, we have to call them by their right names. So this is the method which Horace Denby applied. ठीक है. The safe was in the drawing room. The safe means locker was in the drawing room behind a rather poor painting. It was just behind the painting. Horace wondered for a moment. Wondered means surprised. तो Horace surprised for a moment whether he should collect pictures instead of books. अब वो सरप्राइज़ ये हो गया कि क्या उसको बुक्स की अब कंपैरिजन में शुड ही कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स और बुक्स फर्स्ट. ही वाज कंफ्यूज्ड बट दे टुक अप द टू मच रूम. ठीक है, इट मीन्स दैट दे विल कवर द होल स्पेस. ठीक है. इन ए स्मॉल हाउस बुक्स वर बेटर. Books were looking better in the small house. So first of all, he was confused. Should I pick books or pictures? Then he thought that it is better to just pick the books. There was a great bowl of flowers on the table. Then Horace Denby found that there was a bowl of flowers on the table and Horace felt his nose tickle. Tickle means some allergy. तो जैसे ही उसने फ्लावर वेज देखा, he started feeling some allergy. He started sneezing. He gave a little sneeze and then put down his bag. He just put down his bag on the table. Okay. He carefully arranged his tools. He carefully arranged his tools means instruments. He had 4 hours before the servants returned. It means he had 4 hours to just carry out his planning to carry out his stealing. ठीक है, because he wanted to steal the thing, so that's why he had 4 hours. After 4 hours the servants will come back to house. The safe was not going to be hard to open. It was not easy to open the safe. Okay, it was not hard to open the safe because he was very clever and he was very expert thief. After all, he had lived with locks and safes all his life, क्योंकि उसने अपना पूरा लाइफ एक चोरी करने में स्पेंड की थी. सो दैट्स वाई ही वॉज वेरी एक्सपर्ट थीप एंड ही कुड आल्सो open any lock very easily. The burglar alarm was poorly built. What do you mean by the burglar alarm? This is the alarming bell which gives you signal when any something wrong is happening in the house. So this was the alarming bell which was not properly built. ठीक है, it was in poor condition. Built means in poor condition. He went into the hall to cut the wire. First of all, Horace Denby entered the hall to cut the wire. He came back and sneezed loudly as the smell of the flowers came to him behind. Then he got some smell of the flowers. How foolish people are when they own valuable things, Horace thought. अब यहाँ पर Horace Denby एक कमेंट पास करता है, ठीक है, उस घर के लोगों के ऊपर. He said that the people of the house are very foolish because they are having, on means they are having, valuable means very costly things, ठीक है, expensive things. So Horace said that the people of the house are very fool because they are keeping very costly and expensive things. A magazine article had described this house, giving a plan of all the rooms and a picture of the room. The writer had even mentioned means described that the painting hid is safe. अब होरेस डेनबे को इस घर के बारे में कैसे पता लगा? How did he come to know about the house? He came to know about the house through a magazine, and in that magazine an article was published, and in that article each and every description of the house was given. ठीक है, but Horace found that the flowers were hindering him in his work. Hindering means creating problem. So Horace Denby found that the flowers were creating some problem because he was feeling some problem in his nose. ठीक है, जैसे ही उसके फूलों के वो कांटेक्ट में आता है तो he was feeling some problem and he started sneezing. He buried his face in the his handkerchief. He was having a handkerchief and he just took out handkerchief from his pocket and he started covering his face. Then he heard a voice say from the doorway, "What is a cold or hay fever?" Then Horace Denby heard another noise in the house and the voice was saying that, "What is it? Is it a cold or a hay fever?" ठीक है, तो यहाँ Horace Denby was surprised because according to his information none of the person was residing in the house. Only 2 servants were in the house and they had already gone to see the movie. Before he could think, Horace said hay fever and found himself sneezing. So Horace said that I am suffering from hay fever. Then he started sneezing. The voice went on, "You can cure it with a special treatment." अब उस आवाज़ ने कहा Horace Denby से कि you can cure it. Cure means you can get some solution. ठीक है, you can get some treatment of your disease if you find out just what plant gives you the disease. ठीक है, so the voice was saying to Horace Denby कि you can get your disease cured if you know that from which plant is giving you allergy. I think you would better see a doctor if you are serious about your work. And the voice was saying to Horace Denby that it is better for you to just consult a doctor. ठीक है, I heard you from the top of the house just now. तो Horace Denby said that then the voice was saying that you should get a treatment from the doctor and I was also hearing you from the top of the house. So dear students, I hope that you understand the first part of chapter Very soon I will be sending you a video of next part. Thank you and have a nice day.